Can you see the slide, beta?
Yes, sir.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. A question is asked about linear plantation. Linear plantation, they are very much common in many parts of Pakistan. So they asked that, okay, what are linear plantation and where are they found? You can see that it's a 4-mark question, beta. So first place you will define them that. What do we call them or why do we call them as linear plantation? I explained last time that there is a plantation, even picture will be there, that you will find that they have been planted, okay, in proper line and queues. Proper line and queues, okay, so they have been planted better. So we can define that linear plantation are planted, okay, in a line, okay, by man. So where are they found? Okay, along canals, rivers, roads, railways, and even along the field boundaries. I mean, where do they grow the crops? So along the fields, okay, you can find that bit. So all these plantation, okay, they call them as linear plantation. Actually, they are planted, okay, in line. So due to that, they say that it's a linear plantation bit. So what is the location beta? Along the canals, I mean on the both side of the canals, somewhere rivers, along the roads, railways, and also on the sides of the fields. You know that in Pakistan, they define the field, okay, in which they grow crops better. So on the both side of or all side of the field, okay, so they grow the plants, okay, because they have some purposes in that. You can see that what are the purposes. Explain the purposes of linear plantation. So they prevent soil erosion. Because if wind blows, so they reduce the speed of the wind. And soil, okay, will not be eroded better. But if we have no tree, so then soil erosion can happen better. Soil erosion, you understand that the nutrients, okay, will be taken away better. They have been planted, okay, on the side of the canals, okay, rivers, roads, railways, and even along the field boundaries. So they have been planted, okay, that they will lower the temperature. Because we have water in the canals, so you understand that. So that water will not evaporate better because they will lower the temperature. They provide shade, they provide fruit, food, firewood, timber. They also provide, okay, we can also get, okay, leaves, mean the branches, and we can use, okay, for roofing. Like some people, okay, they have the huts, and even for roofing, okay, some people use the branches and the leaves of the plant better. So they also reduce, okay, air pollution. Yes, this is common purpose better. This is a common purpose, okay, you can write that. They reduce to air pollution, okay, and they also make air clean better. And also the firewood and timber, soil erosion, lowering the temperature, provide shade, okay. So they are some of the common points, okay, we can say that. And they also cause rainfall. That is also important bit. So all the forest, okay, which we have that maybe, okay, 1%, 10%, 50%, okay, so they have their share in bringing of rainfall in that area bit. If question comes about the linear plantation, so you will write that they are planted, okay, by human beings, okay, in a line, okay. Because last time I explained that the linear plantation, okay, which is done in Pakistan. So I think I have where Yes. Can you see with a man-made irrigated forests?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Slide, yes, Peter, yes. So the last point you can see that linear mean in line plantation. So maybe okay, they will give you the picture that how do you know that okay which type of plantation is that? So if you find in the picture that the plants okay have been planted, trees have been planted okay while keeping okay equal space, so definitely that is a linear plantation beta. Because they will ask okay which type of plantation is that. If you find okay kind of symmetry in that, proper equal space okay have been kept in that, the height is the same, age is the same, my dear, so you definitely okay you have to write that it's a linear plantation beta, linear plantation. Or if any plantation okay they show in the picture that where we have the snowfall at least in top area of Pakistan and north part of Pakistan beta, maybe northwest part of Pakistan, if you find okay there is snow capped mountains are there okay, so that will be alpine beta. If it is little bit down okay, so mountains are also there okay, but snow capped mountains are not there, so then that will be the coniferous beta. If on the river side okay, and also the tributaries of Pakistan, tributaries of river Indus, if that is that okay, so that will be Bela beta, Bela or river rain, Bela or river rain beta. If in the desert okay, so that will be scrub type of vegetation. If it is a pothar plateau okay, rough type of plants are there okay, and they have thorns in that, so that will be a kind of a rock, thorny bushes okay, thorny plant okay, so that kind of plantation, kind of forest okay is found in Pakistan beta. So points are these beta, points are these okay. Now what is required okay from your side, you have to define them better. You have to differentiate that okay, which type of forest is that okay, my dear, and which points okay you have to put in okay, or you have to use, and then you can justify okay with the question bit. I'm sure okay you will not be having any problem with it. Is it or not beta?
Yes, sir.
I'm sure okay you will not be having any problem inshallah. So this is about the forest beta. Now we are starting okay Pakistan's fishing industry beta, fishing industry. You can see that Pakistani coast is about 1000 kilometer round about okay, but maximum okay they say that, but that is 1046 kilometer, so we are taking as about 1000 kilometer. Out of this okay, about 70% is located in Balochistan. It means that Makran coast is round about 700 kilometer, and 30% so that is located in Sindh beta. 30% coast is Sindh coast beta, in which we have Indus Delta, Karachi city okay, we have that, so that part is included in Sindh coast beta. How much is the fish catch, how much fish or other organisms okay, marine animals which are caught okay from the sea, you can see that from Sindh we have total catch, so that is 70% beta. Area is 30%, but the catch is 70%. Makran coast has the area of 70%, but the catch is 30%. Clear beta? And the total marine catch is considered of 90% fish, and 10% are the shrimps, so which are caught okay from the coast of Pakistan. That is just a general information, beta, because the points, okay, you can use, okay, in the development of Sindh coast, okay, development of Makran coast, okay, for catching the fish, okay, or more catching of the fish, okay. So first 2 points, okay, you can write in that, beta. So this is just an introduction, beta. Now we are going to the next part, beta. Types of fishing. Marine fishing. You understand that? What is marine fishing, beta? It is done, okay, from deep sea and can be divided into the following, beta. The fish catch, okay, which we have from the sea, so that is divided into two, beta. Number one, subsistence, and number two is commercial fishing, beta. Subsistence fishing and commercial fishing. So most of the students, okay, know that what is meant by subsistence, beta. Even we have subsistence farming too, subsistence agriculture too. In the same way, we have subsistence fishing, beta. It is done for themselves, okay. How much fish catch, okay, they have that, so they consume, okay, by themselves, beta. Mean they catch only for themselves, okay, for family use, okay, we can say that. It is done on small scale, okay, with the help of traditional methods and equipments. Wooden boats, okay, and the cheap nets are used, okay, in it, beta. So that total catch is not so much more, okay, we can say that, beta. Clear, beta? When we talk
Yes.
about
Yes,
when
sir.
we talk about the subsistence fishing, beta, it is done, okay, for themselves, Mari, okay, like we have subsistence farming or agriculture. It means that whatever is produced, okay, so that is produced for family use, beta. That is not for sale. That is not for commercial purposes, beta. So most of the farmer, as we studied, okay, in grade 5, that the farming which is done in Pakistan, so most of the farmer are subsistent farmer, beta. They don't produce, okay, extra or surplus that it can be sold, okay, in the market. That's why that, okay, they are in the poverty cycle, beta. So now, which kind of, I mean, fish catch, okay, they have there, beta. You can see that sharks, catfish, drums, rays, coracle, shrimps, which we say in Urdu, jhinga. So they are some of the marine catch. Okay, we can say that they catch, okay, from the sea. Clear, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now we have the commercial one, beta. Commercial. It is when, okay, the caught fish are sold in the market. In commercial fishing, okay, how much is the fish catch? So they are sold in the market. And this type of fishing is called commercial fishing, beta. And we are talking about the marine fishing, okay, which is done, okay, from deep sea, beta. And in marine fishing, okay, we have the types of the fishing: subsistence fishing, beta, and commercial fishing, beta. Again, beta, subsistence is all for themselves, beta, for family use only. They catch maybe, okay, one or two fish or three fishes, okay, and then they consume, okay, by themselves. So they don't sell in the market, beta. Commercial fishing, very sorry, boys. Sunday morning and the first lesson. Yes, throat does not spout. So commercial fishing is whatever the fish catch or fish caught, so that is for the market, that is sold in the market beta. And this type of fishing is called commercial fishing beta, commercial fishing. So either they can ask you the difference, okay, between commercial fishing and subsistence fishing, okay, they can ask you that bit, because commercial fishing, so they have to catch the fish, okay, for the market. So you can understand that they use, okay, I mean new technology, new techniques, okay. So they have large boats, okay, large nets, okay, they have that gill netter. They are some of the techniques, okay, they use that, and they can catch, okay, more fish, okay, from the sea, okay, and they can earn, okay, more money, okay, from that better. But when they have the subsistence fishing, okay, my dear, so traditional methods, okay, maybe with the small boat, or maybe, okay, you know that, okay, they have some ropes, okay, with the help of that, okay, they can catch the fish. But mostly, okay, they catch, okay, very less in number, and they have no desire to catch more bit, because they are not commercial fishermen. Because commercial fishermen, okay, so they want to catch, or they catch, okay, more fish, because they have to earn, okay, more money from that. So at this point, okay, I'm clear that, okay, marine fishing is done, okay, from deep sea beta, from ocean, we can say that sea or ocean. So that is called marine fishing beta. So there are two types of the fishing, okay, marine fishing. One is subsistence fishing beta, and the second one is commercial fishing. So you understand that subsistence fishing, okay, that is done, okay, for themselves, for their own family use. So they don't catch, okay, extra or surplus, okay, we can say that. They use, okay, simple methods and techniques or equipments, and that's why that they don't catch, okay, more beta. So their total catch is not much more, okay, we can say that. So but when we talk about the commercial fishing, so then, okay, they catch more bit, they catch more. Inland fishing beta, one is marine fishing beta. In marine fishing, okay, we have okay, subsistence fishing and commercial fishing beta. Inland fishing, okay, so that is the second type of fishing beta. It is done, okay, from fresh water resources, okay, like rivers, ponds, and canals, dams and barrages beta. Dams and barrages, okay, so they are some of the places, okay, where from they can catch the fish beta. But keep in mind that, okay, so this kind of fishing is done, okay, as you can see that from the fresh water resources beta. Because sea and ocean, you know that, okay, so they have salty water. So it is not done, okay, from sea or ocean. If any fishing is done, okay, fish are caught, okay, from sea or ocean, so that is called marine fishing beta. Keep in mind that beta. So either they catch, okay, from the rivers, ponds, canals, okay, dams, even lakes, okay, even from barrages, okay, they have that beta. So you can see that the main center of inland fishing are Kalri Lake, Kaleji Lake, okay, Machar Lake, Hub Dam, and now question is that, okay, which fish are caught from there beta? Which species of fish, okay, they caught from there beta? Even you can see that Manchar Lake, okay, Hub Dam. So they are the places, they are the locations, okay, where we have inland fishing, where we have freshwater resources, either in the form of the lakes, okay, either from of the rivers, ponds, canals, dams, and barrages. Beta. So which fish are caught okay from there? Phalla, Rahu, Thela, Mahasir, and trout. I'm sure that you know about the trout, beta. Does any student know that? Which type of trout is that? It's a fish. It's a species of fish, my dear. It lays eggs in fresh water, and these eggs are carried okay by the water, and somewhere okay they are hatched, and after being hatched okay from the eggs, you know how do they travel, my beta? They travel against the stream. They travel upward against the water. Okay, so they travel beta against the travel water. Okay, they travel beta. Ahmad Alam,
Yes,
welcome
sir.
back beta. Beta, you did not complete your work and
Yes,
did
sir.
not
There
send the.
is something here.
Yes beta.
No, sir. I sent.
when
Sir, I sent.
when
You can
beta?
check. Sir, many days before.
Today?
No, sir, not today. Before. Many days before. I
Okay
can
beta.
even check. Sir, check that. Yes, sir. It's sent.
Okay beta.
17 November.
Okay beta. At first stage beta, the types of the fishing okay which I have mentioned that, and second part is that which type of fish are caught okay from if we say if they say that and from marine catch. Okay, so which type of fish are caught there beta, which type of marine animals are caught there beta. And when they say that in land fishing, as you can see that, so they are some of the fish catch, so they are caught okay from the freshwater resources. So they ask okay some example, my dear, or the types of the fish okay which are caught either from fresh water, or either okay they ask about the marine catch better. So you have to memorize okay the name of these types of fish. So I don't think that okay we have any problem in memorizing. So in land fishing you understand that it is done okay from freshwater resources, like we have lakes, rivers, ponds, canals, dams, and barrages. And the main center, okay, you can see that Kalri Lake is there, Haleji Lake is there, Manchar Lake, and Hab Dam. So they are some of the places or centers of inland fishing, beta. Inland. Inland, you understand that, beta? Not in sea. If it is about the sea, so that will be marine fishing, beta. If it is about the inland fishing, okay, so that will be done okay in freshwater sources. Ponds, you know that okay, they are man-made ponds. So we will study that. How are they made, okay, and which things are kept in mind that these centers, I mean these ponds, okay, so they should produce okay more. So what are the physical conditions are required? Okay, so we have the topic. Inshallah, we will do later on. So physical conditions are required. Okay, specific conditions are required, and how are they built? Okay, so we will study inshallah later on, beta. Yes, here you can see that the types of marine fish which are caught okay from the marine, beta. You can see that croakers, skates, drums, catfish, and rays. So they are some of the marine fish, okay, we can say that they are caught, okay, from sea, beta. They are caught, okay, from the sea. You can see even in the picture that. So they are some of the types of marine fish, beta. So you have to remember the names, beta. If they say that about the inland fishing, okay, okay, which type of fish are caught? So they are halla, rahu, thela, mahasir, and trout. So they are some of the types of the fish, okay, which are caught from inland area. Maybe okay from lakes, okay, from rivers, the ponds, man-made ponds. We have that canals, dams, and barrages. Beta. Now, which are the marine fishing center, okay, we have in Pakistan? Marine fishing center, okay, we have in Pakistan. Okay, you can see in this picture, my dear. We have Jivani, Gwadar, Pasni, or Mada. Son Miani is also there. It is not mentioned here. And Karachi. Karachi center. They are the main center. Okay, we can say that, beta. Yes, in next one, okay, you will understand more, beta. Okay, what type of question comes about the fishing center in Pakistan, beta? Marine fishing. Keep in mind that, okay, they are about the marine fishing centers. The fishing which is done, okay, from the sea, beta. Mostly, okay, question is asked that, okay, you have to label that. That which fishing spot, okay, we have where and where. So you can see that Jivani, Gwadar, Pasni, or Mada, Son Miani, okay, they are all in Balochistan, beta. Till Son Miani, okay, we have all in Balochistan, beta. So on Karachi, means Sindh coast, okay, we have either from near Karachi or we have okay from Indus Delta, beta, where river Indus is falling into sea, okay. So they are the two centers, okay, we can say that, okay, from near Karachi, okay, we catch the fish, beta, or maybe okay from Indus Delta side, okay, they catch the fish, beta. So on Sindh coast, okay, now question can be asked that on Sindh coast, okay, the fish catch is 70%. Area is 30%, fish catch is 70%, beta. But on Balochistan coast or Makran coast, so fish catch is 30%, area is 70%, beta. So they can ask you the reason, Maria. So about Sindh coast, you can see that we have Indus Delta, where we have the mangroves. And mangroves provide what, beta? Any student, beta? Beta, I explained a lot, my dear, that mangrove forest provides what? Is there any student in the class, beta?
Sir, habitat for
Okay,
animals.
stop soil
Yes,
erosion.
beta?
Sir,
Say it loud.
habitat for animals.
Nurseries,
Habitat for animals.
nurseries, beta, nurseries, okay. They are the nurseries, okay, for the fish, beta. So we have more number of fish on Sindh coast, okay. That's why that we have more fish catch, beta. It means that okay, you just simply listen, or maybe you don't listen, okay, the teacher. What is that, boys? There are 16 students, okay, and I spent okay 2 weeks, okay, on the forest. If that is the situation, beta, how will you give the paper, beta? Inshallah, we'll meet in next lesson. Take care, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir. Allah Hafiz, sir.